I definitely, I definitely need a haircut. So going for it. Got my haircut done and going back to home.
Real difference in the middle order. If we just continue for a little while longer, Bangladesh could have stretched this game right to Yorker, not a wide. So Pakistan win this.
Pakistan won the match against Bangladesh. उड़ रही है
ये कितना सा लेके आया तू? हैं? अबे बहुत बड़ा था। अबे मक्खियाँ हो रही है। और निकाल, और है उसमें। अबे इतना बड़ा था। देख टपक रहा है। इसको किसी बोतल में निकालना।
जैसे खड़ा रहेगा हम ही आए।
Alright guys, I am with my brother and we are going for some shopping and he is driving right now. So I'll just show you around. Nothing to say much, but I'll just show you around. He's going to buy some female clothes in this market. Alright guys, we are done with the shopping and now going to tailor. So let me explain you what he actually, my brother, do. He takes the order. He takes the order on the Facebook. He has a Facebook page, and there are around 17 to 18,000 customers, right? 21,000 customers, and they give him the order to purchase those suits for them, and as he is a regular buyer from them, so he uses contacts to take 5 to 10% discount, and he buys those clothes from them and sell it to the people who are not from here, like America and England, all over the world. And that's all. Now we are going to tailor, and because some of the customers want their suit to be stitched, so we are going there, and I will show you how we order, how we give clothes for the stitching. So stay tuned for more. तीनों के 2 रुपये बिल्डू पता है। प्रॉब्लम सेम आ जाएगा। उसके बाद तो ये वाले पढ़ लिए ना गले पे, इतनी बड़ी लेस है, उसमें एक एक वर्ड लगा दिया।
इसमें 38 का ना 25 तो लाइनिंग वाले और 13 प्लेन है.
Okay, guys, we are now finally going back to home, and we are done with the all the shopping and the stitching, tailor thing. So 40 suits has been given for the stitching, right? And 38 suit has been received. Over here, car is full, if you can see. So I'll join you on the way. Stay tuned for more. I'll join you on the way. I'll join you.
कोई मूड नहीं है जिल मैथ्यूज का. आखिरी 2 गेंद भी ये करेंगे. 11 रन 161 आखिरी लम्हे पे पकड़ने में कामयाब हुए. इस दौरान 2 रन मजीद हासिल किए. 161 श्रीलंका 8 विकेटों के नुकसान पे 3 गेंदें बाकी और चाहिए 11 रन. हर हाल में इस गेंद पे बाउंड्री लगानी होगी अंजुल मैथ्यूज को अगर ये मैच जीता है. साउथ अफ्रीका की टीम की दुआएं इस वक्त श्रीलंका के साथ.
It was great to watch you today. Go and get your trophy over there, Josh.
Alright, guys, I'm ending my vlog here, and I'm just about to reach my home, and right now I'm stuck in the traffic, and I don't know why it's not focusing. My camera is not. Yes, and I'm about to reach home, and I'm ending my vlog here. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment, show some love, and if you want me to vlog every day, please you can tell me in the comment section. So that's all for today. Bye.